Hey, welcome back everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host, it's Paul Motley, and apologies, but as soon as I hit record, the wind started getting up and I am having a little wander around here. Now, for those of you that listened for a long time, you'll know that previously I went and found somewhere nice and quiet where I could do it and have, zero interruptions. And I thought, it's such a beautiful night, I'm going to head outside. And obviously, as luck would have it, even though the stars are out, the moon is shining, the wind started kicking up. I don't know why, I don't know how, but it's just happened, right? So anyway, let's get to the point. Happy New Year to everybody for a start. 1st of January, really exciting. This year could be your year, and it could be your year for a number of reasons. When you actually think about it, look back to 2020 as a massive learning experience, and grow and build on that and think about all the good things that happened rather than trying to fixate and fall back on all the negativity and the bad things that happened, especially individually as well, because I think it's important to concentrate on the things that we can change rather than focus on the things that we can't change, right? And I think that is something that a lot of people still don't do. Me personally, I don't watch a lot of the news. I get to hear about it. My partner is well up on this stuff, so I do get it sort of second hand, if you like. But for me, it's, I don't know, it's kind of like, news tends to be rather negative, so I try and stay away from negative influences where I can. But I just want to talk to you about a couple of things, really. First off, on Monday, which is the 4th of January, Russell Brunson is actually doing a live 5-day challenge, right? And we're talking about getting leads, and everybody needs leads for their business. So it is important, if you go into the show notes, there'll be a link there where you can go ahead and click on it, and you'll come to a page that I've set up, and it's a real quick opt-in. The reason why I wanted to do that is because I want it to be interactive between us. So not just here's the link, go and check it out, blah blah blah. I want to be able to come to you and interact with you guys on on a very personal basis, and go through and have a discussion about each day. So what I'm going to do is, everyone that goes there and opts in, it's going to be then sent to the actual link where you can go ahead and register for the challenge, right? So that's important to do. But you will then be put on a list, one of my lists, and I will email out probably in the next couple of days or so, where you'll get access to a private group which we can then discuss the findings and go through any problems or anything else. It's probably the easiest way for me to help you directly right now. Yeah, so previously I've done like coaching calls, I've done like mentoring and all that good stuff before, and believe you me, at the moment I have I used to book out at about $200 for an hour, right? These days that's gone up to about $500 an hour, mainly because of the huge value and results that people can get. So it's one of those things. We talked about mindset, talked about charging what you're worth and all that sort of thing, and that's kind of like where I put myself after talking to several people which know this sort of shit, right? So this is a way to get access to me directly, so that we can come together a little bit easier and talk about your business and how you can move it forward. So as I said before, please just go ahead, check the show notes, get that link, click on it, right? I have to be really, really clear about how to do this, because I don't want anybody coming to me at the end of next week and going, damn, I missed it, I didn't see it, what happened? But if you do come in late, then hopefully, God willing, I shall have all the recordings there so you can go back and listen to it. If you do come in late, there will be replays and all that good stuff. Right, so that's kind of like what I want to do. And the purpose being is obviously to try and help you grow your business and give your business the very best of starts in 2021. So I'm going to sign off now. Make sure you go ahead and check the show notes, and I will look forward to speaking to you personally real soon.